Hi, I'm looking for some casual shirts. Do you have any recommendations?
Absolutely. What type of casual shirts are you interested in? T-shirts, polos, or something more formal?
I'm thinking more along the lines of basic t-shirts, maybe in solid colors.
We have a great selection over here. These come in a variety of colors. White, black, navy, and gray are the most popular.
I'll try the navy and black and medium, please.
Sure thing. Here you go. Our fitting rooms are on the left if you'd like to try them on.
Thanks. Do you also have any slim fit jeans?
Yes, we do. Our slim fit jeans are right here. What size do you wear?
I'm a 32 waist. I'll take a look at these dark wash jeans.
Great choice! The dark wash is really versatile. Would you like to try them on as well?
Yes, I'll try them with the shirts.
Let me know if you need anything else while you're in the fitting room.
Will do. Oh, by the way, do you have belts to go with the jeans?
We have a whole section for belts. They're over by the accessories on the back wall.
Perfect, I'll check those out after I try these on. The jeans fit really well, but the t-shirt feels a little tight. Do you have it in a large?
Let me grab that for you. Here's the same t-shirt in large. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, thanks. I think a large will be better.
No problem. I'll be right here if you need anything else.
The large fits much better. I'll go with the large in both colors.
Excellent! Let's add those to your cart.
Do you have any recommendations for casual shoes? Something I can wear daily?
We have some great casual sneakers and loafers. Are you looking for something specific?
I'm thinking of getting some white sneakers. Do you have them in stock?
Yes, we do. We have white leather sneakers in several styles. What's your shoe size?
I'm a size 9.
Perfect! Let me bring out a few options for you to try on.
I like the sneakers, but I think I prefer the ones with a slightly thicker sole. Do you have those?
Absolutely. These ones have a thicker sole and more cushioning for comfort.
Great, I'll take these.
Wonderful. Anything else you're looking for today?
Actually, I was thinking about getting a light sweater too. Do you have any cotton sweaters?
Yes, we do. Our cotton sweaters are over here. We have them in crew neck and V-neck styles.
I'll take a crew neck in gray. Size medium, please. Excellent choice. The cotton blend is really soft and perfect for layering. It feels nice. I'll add it to my cart.
Great. Anything else I can help you find today?
No, I think that's everything for now.
Let's head to the register then.
Oh, wait, I almost forgot. Do you have any socks on sale?
Yes, we do. Our socks are over by the checkout, and they're buy one, get one 50% off today.
I'll grab a couple of packs then.
Would you like the ankle socks or crew socks?
I'll take the ankle socks.
Good choice. Let me ring those up for you.
Thanks. I think I've got everything now.
Fantastic. Your total comes to $220. Would you like to pay with card or cash?
I'll pay with my card.
All right, go ahead and insert your card whenever you're ready.
Do you offer any gift wrapping services?
Yes, we do. We can gift wrap your items for an additional $5.
I'll go ahead with that. It's a gift for my friend's birthday.
Great, I'll have everything wrapped up for you in just a moment.
Thank you. This will save me a lot of time.
No problem. Would you like the receipt in the bag or emailed to you?
Please email it to me.
Sure. Can I have your email address, please?
It's john.doe@email.com.
Got it. You should receive the receipt shortly.
Perfect. Thanks for all your help today.
You're welcome. We hope to see you again soon.
I'll definitely be back. Have a good day.
You too. Take care.
Hi, I bought these jeans yesterday, but I need to exchange them for a different size.
No problem. Do you have the receipt with you?
Yes, I have it in my email.
Great. I'll just need to scan it. What size would you like to exchange them for?
I'll need a size 30 instead of the 32.
I'll check if we have that size in stock for you. Good news, we have your size. I'll process the exchange for you now.
Thanks. Can I try them on again to be sure?
Of course. The fitting rooms are right over there.
These fit perfectly. I'm happy with this size.
Excellent. The exchange is all set. Anything else you'd like to check out today?
No, that's all for now. Thanks again.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
I noticed some shoes on clearance. Are these the final prices, or are there any additional discounts?
These are already discounted, but if you're a member, you can get an additional 10% off.
I am a member. That's great. I'll take a look at these sandals.
Perfect. Let me know if you need a different size.
I'll try these in a size 8, please.
Sure, I'll grab those for you.
Thanks. These are really comfortable.
Glad to hear it. Would you like to purchase them today?
Yes, I'll go ahead with these.
Great, let's head to the register. Your total after the member discount is $45.
That's a good deal. I'll pay with cash this time.
All right, here's your change and receipt. Thank you for shopping with us.
Thanks. See you next time.
Have a wonderful day.